Elliot dies again. Will Pastor Alph Lukau resurrect him again? In a shocking development, Brighton Elliot Moyo, the Zimbabwean man who South African prophet Alph Lukau controversially resurrected from the dead back in February, has died again. According to local publication H Metro, Brighton died last week in a village called St. Luke's in South Africa. Unfortunately for Brighton, Pastor Alph Lukau was not there to facilitate another resurrection. A close family member who spoke to H Metro says Elliot was buried on Saturday. The relative said Elliot's stomach started swelling and didn't stop for 3 days, and on the third day, he died. Elliot is reportedly survived by his wife,